He is hung up Ken Stetson, but Ryan Gosling's apparent passion for plastic might extend beyond playing Barbie's boyfriend. With a waxy shine and seemingly inflated cheeks, 43-year-old Gosling is causing something of a stir among disconcerted fans on social media. Has he been primping and pumping? Some wonder. He looks more like Gammy Schumer than the fine-featured leading man we all adore, others says. And while it's not known if he is turned to the usual arsenal of injectables in an attempt to turn back the clock, he is certainly not the only male A-lister who is looking rather more chipmunk than chiseled of late. Indeed, as a coterie of Hollywood heartthrobs reach a certain age, it seems that tucks and tweakments are no longer just the preserve of our favorite female stars. Far too many big screen boys are now united in the mistaken belief that padded and puffed equates to youthful bloom. As a result, needless enhancements tend to render our superstars pale imitations of their formerly exquisite self, sucking out the character and charm from their rugged good looks. Whatever happened to the golden generation of movie men who stayed hot while gracefully growing craggier and more grizzled? Steve McQueen, Harrison Ford, Paul Newman, Clint Eastwood, Richard Gere, a collective appeal undimmed by a creased forehead and hooded eyes. In fact, as gravitas and weather grit replaced boyish charm, many just get better and better as the years tick by. Would Steve McQueen have stayed an icon if every fine line from fast living and chain smoking had been erased with a swollen pillow face? What about Harrison Ford in his 1980s peak? Imagine his eyes frozen and alarmed instead of sultry and gnawing. Today's artists are staying tight and fuller-lipped on exactly what they have done, and that's leading to endless and welcome scrutiny. 61-year-old Tom Cruise, still at the top of his game and doing his own stunts, is a case in point. Blame it on his own self-imposed time, or churning out another Mission Impossible, or resurrecting his 1986 smash Top Gun, but rumored efforts to preserve his boyish look may have led to drastic measures. At a 2021 basketball game in San Francisco, the actor's face looked to be more pumped up than any of the action on court. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe the channel for more videos.